Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CS channel and back to the series of computer architecture and organization. This is a series where definitely help for who are preparing the exclusive series for who are going to prepare and attend the exams called GATE, UGC and NET and so on. Today we are going to see the topic called data transfer instructions in computer organization. These are based on the microprocessor concept only. And the previous session we explained about the session types of data types of instructions in the computer were data transfer, data arithmetic, at last program control instructions. And I given outline of the lesson also, lecture also. This lesson we are going to see only the data transfer instructions. Some examples also here. So today we are seeing the some of the example and understand better way. So here data transfer instructions, I just highlight the point again here. These are responsible for moving data around inside the processor as well as bringing data or sending data out. So data transfer means what? Moving the data from one place to another. And you know already what is instruction, and there are two things are important there in according to the computer architecture and organization, that is opcode and operand. You have idea about this, I know. And there are three ways of transfers here. Before seeing example, the data transfer from one place to another or one place to another. There are three ways of data transfer going in according to the computer organization architecture. That is, you can say one is register to memory, or you can say and you can say memory to register, and as well as register to register. These are things happening when we consider about the data transfer instructions. There are some examples you can see here: move, load, store, exchange, input, output, push and pop. Let's go for some examples and you can easily understand here. So assume that you have register R1, R2 and memory. Here first command move. What is the use of move means what? Here the remember here the contents of move R1 R2 means what? The contents of what are the contents in the R2, it will move to the register R1. Just moving as well as copying. Remember the one thing here, it does not alter the data. Okay, so whatever the content in the R2, it will move to the R1. For example, you can say move A comma B. That means what? Whatever the content in the B register, it will move to the register A. For example, suppose I have a data in the B, the data I have data called 5, and also after execute the instruction, what the data will move to A also. That means the return, that means if you execute the instruction, the data will be in the B also 5 and copy to A register, the A also will be 5 here, like that. So here one more instruction, move R comma M. That means what? Whatever the here the meaning is, whatever the information the register, it will move to memory. And moreover here you have to remember, that means in the memory in the sense means it won't directly go memory. It's a kind of indirect addressing mode. Today most of the computers following indirect address mode only. So here, so the register will move to memory in the sense, suppose I have data in the 50, where is meant in the memory, we have one more register pair called HL, where HL denotes the memory location. The memory location I have a data called 50. So when I give like this, the operation have, for example, you can say move B comma M. That means what are the memory, in the memory point to the HL point to the data called 50. This entire information will be copied to the B here. So like that you can understand the move command. So R1 comma R2 means again the whatever the information the data in the R2, it will move to the R1 here. That is source place designation. It never lose any data or never alter, just copying. Let's go for next one. Here move MVI R comma data address means move immediately. This is kind of the direct addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. Move MVI R comma data means additional saying point here. We can say whatever the data you have, it will convert to, it will transfer to the register immediately. For example, I am giving the command instruction MVI B comma 10. After executing, where the 10 will be moved to the B register. And next one is LDA, and also one more is continued by load A, LDA 500A. That means what? Load directly the value to, load directly to the accumulator. The meaning is load directly to the accumulator. For example, I am giving the instruction LDA space 500K means what? That means memory location to accumulator. Transfer the data from memory location to accumulator, you can say simply. So it will, whatever the 500K is, that information will move to the accumulator. And also load A is there, that means directly load whatever the information directly accumulate. Load A in the sense whatever the accumulator directly load to the A register like that. And next one is important, exchange. Exchange means what? That means transfer or swapping the information. For example, I am giving the command instruction here the exchange is denoted by the code like this only, x chg bl comma al. That means what? Whatever the information the A content in the AL, it will move to the BL here, just exchanging. So remember, again repeating here, exchange means what? Moving the content from one place to change the content from one place to another. So whatever the information content in the AL register pair, it will move to the BL register pair. Next one is store, that STA360. For example, STA store, you can say example 325K like that. That means what? The contents of the accumulator are copied into the memory location specified the operand. Again repeating, here the contents of the accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand here. So when you give like the store directly the accumulator opposite to LDA. So here whatever the content in the, say here you can example, you can say here whatever the information the 325K is there, no, that memory location will, whatever the memory location and whatever the data here, it will move to the accumulator directly. And next one is, push and pop. These are come from the stack concept. Push in the sense what? Push in the sense here the contents of the register insert to the stack. Remember, insert the stack called B here. For example, assume that you have stack here. In the stack we have values 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. So here, so what happen means, suppose in the push I have a last value is 10, is followed the last in first out. So here suppose I have the stack here, I have stack values 10, 20 followed by 30 and 40. So here the last value is 40, we can assume that the 40 will be moved to the register B here. So that is a way of using the push instruction when you are executing. Now next one is pop A, it's opposite to push. Here pop A, what happen means, here the contents of the top of the stack are copied into the register A. So here for example in the stack, first just now I told the stack, we can assume that you have 10, 20, 30, 40. First the top of the stack, what is the 10 value there? The 10 will be moved to the register A. After executing what there, when you try to execute the instruction, in the A we can see the value of pop operation where the value of 10 will be there, because I just now imagine that we have stack, we have called values called the top of the stack 10, then 20, 30, 40 and so on. So 10 will be moved to the register A. And next two are easy, that is the what's the one input and another one is output. So here input out, these are the instructions where is used to transfer the data among the registers only, registers and accumulator also. Here for example you can say in AL comma DX, here the data transfer happen between the input unit to the accumulator. So for example you can say in IN space AL comma DX. That means what? Here what are the data in DX, it will move to the accumulator. Then output DX comma AX, here the output out DX comma AX example, the contents of the accumulator are copied into the IO port specified by the operand. Contents of the accumulator, what are the contents in the accumulator? These are copied into the IO port specified by the operand. So what are the information here? It will move from AX to the DX here. Okay, these are the things you have to remember about the data transfer instructions. Upcoming session definitely explain the data manipulation as we concept of arithmetic and logic shift and etc. And also simultaneously on the upcoming session I explain the program control instruction also. Thank you for watching this video. Please support for our channel and please stay connected with the social media. Thank you for watching this video and wish you all the best. Thank you.